Good morning, my dear students. Hello. Nungai lay nari natra. Kuchu nungai ka. Sak nung chitum kuan mani. Pajadra yango. Pajadana. Dum song thok video song thok pada dum man mani dum kaino maka. Pajana dum layo na koi sungai re ka. Lay haidana aina as usual. Aina hana su hai ka. Kari hai. You do not forget that you are a student ka. Satra mani habisidi kauganu ka. Yango, how's Paul Ibasida? Equina exam key, probable question Karapito Kodoka, Karamna solved away, Karamna Taude, to the maximum of the students. Tau the Brana Kalika, Kaina quite Naquina Yum da, Tauramba Budi, Adabu, number of students, Aina response Pangbasida count Tauragadi. Less than 10% Nika, and I'm a singam day, Aduna. I want to submit Taura Puga, Naquina check towning Balaibada, check Adam Tauri, Natra. At the Tau the Karasuyauri, some of the students says that Ozagi Igi phone number Kawi Kole and Highway Yawika. At the phone number the group Tadum Yauri Duni, Sumbra. Group the Yawu to the Nakoika Iga so I didn't mean Dadum Laivenica. Nakoi Dona, symbol Mam Tandana, then Maming as a Lotna, Nushin Shibu Maming Tondana, Tokum Do. I get them to Taudanica, and a group take them, Mingadum, line at Tiva Panganica. Other number do, doing a Tau Gabu Harabadi, homework submission, Towning Abudi. I should guide day, number to Pangadabanica. The homework to the coin of Towning the Bagi, not to submit Towning the Bagi, Labitagi, the coin of Donakanda, Taurini, Ajukangica, the Taugi, and Abunas Hana Bulepadi, number Tiva Ketabu, Dana, group Tadum Yaw, the group to almost 60-70 Satradum Yaw member lay doka. Out of 100 60-70 group to the hour 5 say you can get easily anyone's number ka. Kanagumamagi number pangpada Tibadum line to Odabani. Adutuna Yanga how's it saying a seat that 7 yawre that 10 Okta schedule Taubane Aduna Kogi reader student diary Igadra. Routine yaw with a car, Aduna Koida Pangaba Pang Dibra, Kang Deka, ID Pangam Tabusu, Pangmakars Yaramadran Kali, Pang Dabana among without the Malika. Adurutin Tagalapa Tagalabagi Karahai, Adurutindo, Aina group to the response Pirika. Kayana Piri, I did them the response, Aquina group school authority, the Pangapaga, appointed them Paul Pirkeka, the Sudan Dari, the Yauraga D at the Sektawa. At the sector got the Yaw, they have a pursuit from later when they question the Ripangagadi. And the name that's a been option in Grabani, the Republic Sangsi Hankalo, Oxinaba, Sabatapamatam Karlepuga, Sabatapamatam Lepaidicano, Yamaka and Sasalatumba, Tum Tolere, and I quit them has a Ravnioka, my Mikasi, Saratum Tole the Naka, Nakogan Hanga, Sumaina. Tabak tauba natana koi yam kana tabak inghang papan sa tukasin tauba yadrabanina adum yumda leire aduna koi gi nari paba chande hangda ganuka koi na tauriba si nomuda perat manga taubanina koi di dum time management adum tauba konna ne na khali ka matam arem da manganda bida tauriba nuti gi tauriba singse as regularly sangna ina tauka adum aduna yenga homa submit tawning malairaga su adum submit tawrauka I get the Asoba Tabamani, Satra Samagi, cannot Tarpa, I know what's up the check Tauraga Mutaba, say you saw Sotabam the way. Adobo for your betterment car. Nakoina Kanganaba, I never get among the equation, one eye, the other was one, Honageka, at the Nakoina responsibility, but in the pharmacy. And again, class attendance to attend to Utaba, Satra Mayamayawe. Howsing Aquina out of 101 Lematamda, 102 Lematamda. Nungtigi attendance count out we get only 40 to 50 students attending the class. Saturday food dagi na trayang kai dagi. Sikatane class attend to shadu tagadi more than half of you are still absent ka. Satra yang kai podium absent already. And already we say kai dawleri na emission to dabagi when kind of yarong ani adubu most of the students got admitted already ka. Misalnya to rabanina satra emission attend to we satra singse yang hantai aduna hantadana ba. Yauriba Satra Sing say, emission Tauka Satra Sing do, Yanakati class regularly attend Tauka. Hangaba Haisa, at the Kuta attend Taudrasu, when an acquainted information on a period, a sig Tagalaiba, sidaka numit khudingi mathang harai ngasi thakam ta ngasi kudate ngautra su ngasi gi nungdang phauda ayeng yau si kudai matam na koi attendance count tong toi ni ka dudana kudakta ngautra su lemhori matam sida manage tawraga attend tong na bo hono yan tarwai sa aduna attendance se am handai aduna attendance handana ba sang na class yaw na bo hono ka seduna nga exam gidi already discussed tawgre satra karati already submitted ka napagi piri ba assignment question sing soloi submit tawre ka aduna class tu makha satharasi last time we have discussed up to question number 3 ka question number 3 about discussed tawgre aduna today we will be starting from question number 4 question number 4 hai howdaini aduna ngasi se that 7 of May June ka Monday no misida ikona discuss tawgre se we will be starting from 5.2 की question number 4 रही होंगे and daraba अगर 4 रही होगा सिदा लगे तो ये concept थी only one concept only one formula कर्म formula ना that we have discussed the nth term have the nika nth terms of an AP कना ना an is equal to a plus n minus 1 whole d the formula the nika अगर question number 4 से पार से ना you open your box open your textbook and read the questions का question par yang question number 4 da hai se na which terms of an AP 3, 8, 13, 18 is 70 hai ka aduna nga sida pili ba AP is kana no sa AP is given 3, 8, 13, 18 ka si pile hang is na kana no which term is 78 hangpani ka yawa mamang da hang ko chip lu sa manai mamang da koina question ma'am discuss ta ure na tra question number 1 da koina kai hangre an ga hangage n ki value pu ko yaw gib do box ki column tabulation sem da yaw ge du ka sa manai ka adu yenga upasana second da ra ba question ja tare ka adu da yang question na hangi se kari no Sigi AP series sida 70 have se AP series ki kya suba tam da lakat da ge have ne adudana akoina sida logi ji kana ne nga here we have kana lai se as na kana lai re 3 lai re then dai ka d na kya warani d as usual you know that a2 minus a1 so how much a2 is a minus 3 that will be equal to 5 and d is 5 phang na tra then the matum na kana lagi nga and the term je koina kana lo sali ba 70 lo sali na tra then we know that koina kari phange kaya suba tam da lakadori no having na sigi 70 and se AP series to dum lairam drobani ka lairam drobani na kai dore n suba tam do 78 ni han lo sali ne can tarbasa aduna koina formula da kari hangyo an is equal to a plus n minus 1 whole d sile ka the n subtam dik stay matching sin jalo ana laire 78 is equal to a how much 3 laire ni plus n is bikhangre d na kya were 5 were can tarbasa sidagi di hotpa ngamadra yanga sinjan ngamadra Gamani ka masing station jalo to solve to matna kamai to rani nga first koina kai darani 3 just want to put horani 78 minus 3 is equal to kana le hore n minus 1 all to the power all bracket 5 sile ka the 78 tagi 3 kai do di how much will be getting bilan kya phangani sa 78 3 kai do di 70 ga how much 75 Makana le ho raha n minus 1 the 5 se divide to yan taraba and 75 se 5 divide to di kya pange se that will be equal to 15 so n minus 1 is 15 aduna kai da hore n bu to kya ga di 1 son tang chala ni 15 plus 1 that will be equal to 8 n so n will be equal to 16 yani ko sa aduna koina kai hore Therefore, conclusion na kai pirani 78 is the 16th term yarabasa piriba AP series ki ke doraba 16 suba tam duneba yarabasi bo si clear waraba pasna yaad rahega rasika yaraba se sima sinjalo sima makha question am tawsi hoga yaad rahega Angelina yarabasi bo yareka next question rahega. You read the next question, question number 5. Question number 5 tahan ni susi ka almost sama na bani. Question ani P ka. Ani di manung da ama katang tause ama dunna you'll be careful is a homework ko. Homework na dun tham gaya ngo. So let's go with the Roman number 2. So question number 5 tahan se kay ni ngo. Roman number 2 da 1 pillar ni ka masing to fraction yaw da ni fraction yaw mo sin law ge ka hai ba AP series da 18 dagi hore aduga second term da 15 whole 1/2 thame aduga -47 to loisale how badagina doira ko pawsida how many terms are there having ka term kaya lege having adu da hajiki to saman lego sina first term oirani sina second term oirani sina last term oirani adu ni stage ko na kai phangba ya resa here ko na kai lege first term is 18 line ka common difference will be second term minus first term so second term is 15 whole 1/2 minus 18. Sina next question na lay improper to 1 thora di 31/2 minus 18. So LCM log to 31 minus 36 that will be equal to minus 5/2. Sila ka. Then last term se kya pange AN is equal to minus 47. So make up. So we have AN is equal to A plus N minus 1 whole day. So replacing those values, minus 47 is 18 N is value thangre thamani minus 5/2. Hilai ka. Ri yang so solve to just ki to minus 18 jan thang to ro. We know that sign is change ka sign change to bani aduna minus plus minus 1 thora ni suna kana le hore n minus 1 whole bracket minus 5/2 and the minus t the way high Angelina se the way high minus t plus the way high dra and the plus to ramina symbolically iba minus e ni ka and se kai le se 7 plus 8 is 15 1 carry to re ka 4 plus 1 is 5 could be 6 tare sumeka sagara kana le re n minus 1 whole bracket minus 5/2 adinga sai ko na to with minus 5 se si so na puthora ni ka so na puthori kai le re is reciprocal of ko to kai phangani so na kana le re n minus 1 so minus minus get cancel 15 is the a we get 13 we can find 26 so it will be equal to n minus 1 the n give look at 26 plus 1 that is 27 the conclusion na kai pita re therefore conclusion na kai lani there are how many 27 term in its AP P ni pa AP sida kya le raba tam kunga tare yar basa is it clear si siang aba yar ba okay note it down sima sinja loka rosini sima siang ibra siang ika tu rosini na homework submit to gumda number phang di da hai to ka number yam lai na phang bani crypto su tum yaw ri ka moreover nangi da sing da number dum lai banga tani ka na na tawge bu khala di ke sukai ba lai te ka na homework submit to ro maru aina handa ki exam gi to ka adu hola ga hana submit to ro adu to ra ga di nang hi holi bang ka do na traga sam da sumila li thama correction to ba yai ka correction to ra ga di hang exam da when if it is asked hanga ga di you will get good marks ka yanga na last question na me se wa si ka question number 6 se naina ga yam koi na sunai na roi ge kai ginam tam da na koi exam naksal e ka lari pa na matam khara chu tham ge so sa se lari pung ta ta se le pe khana hayeng ni hai ra ga na mun so le bu si yorong ga ni ka yan da rai se na koi na ngang mo do koi ta thra ga chu du u ba phangi rosini natra angelina natra ne angelina ga pai thok ta na ta jong che korong nga mo jong se mana ton su thok ta na lari pung ta ta se le han ta uri je ka adu dana question last question am ta ne na yang shenga question number 6 question number 6 na ke hai jeng hoji ke tu samma nei kari hai ap series ma pirame ap series tu da -150 se tam da oirak ta brai hangini ka si ju mamang da loi tau rabani discussion tau rabani ka aduna yang question number 6 biki gen tari brasiba yang aduna question number 6 ta p is kaina ap da kaidawre 11 comma 8 comma 5 comma 2 chaleka abu hange kari hange is -150 a term of its ap yenga piriba ap series gi -150 se yaura kadra tatraga yauro idra hangbani ka sida koina lai duji kana ne nga ap series de yaura ke yauro oi ke hai ta de koina kai tauni ha ge n gi value putora kani putore be n gi value de if we get n is a natural number when a phangtar ga di yes ha gani na traga di no ha kani ha gidra aduna koina putotu je kana na lai riba -150 se ap series de lai loction doini ka sai do maina aduna here we have stakana kana lai ge nga first term is 11 like ka then d the kana like 8 minus 11 so it will be how much -3 then see for se ko like long salam nina and that term is equal to minus kan da ka adagi ko na khangi ba formula da kai khange an is equal to a plus n minus 1 all b so and the piano set -150 is how much 11 plus n minus 1 b is how much we get -3 second tareka adari ka sagi to mane nga siana thangtora se therefore -150 from putora ga we get -11 so n minus 1 whole bracket -3 so as we did just now asik tong khiba man ke dore se minus ka ta le ne ka asintan sinatro se aduna yang adu ka phang se -161 is equal to n minus 1 -3 adari si som putora di -161 divided by -3 will be equal to n minus 1 so minus get cancelled but adu ke dore 161 से 3 नहीं भाई आपरा याद रखा याद रखने के दौरान we have to keep as it is so 161 by 3 plus 1 that is n so n की वैल्यू से क्या पंगानी it will be n fraction का 161 plus 3 is equal to n so 164 divided by 3 n स्माइल रखा अगर n की वैल्यू क्या हो रहा है fraction पंगाबा which is not a natural number natural number natra ka natra bani na kone conclusion na kai pirani therefore -150 is not a term of kanagina the given ap pirami ba ap series gi edoraba tamaman natre ha kendai ka conclusion je karom dai line sida gi line ka sida koina edoraba se natural number oina positive natural number phangam targa di hoina yes na pi doine boka ada sida kai oina phange fraction oina phangadra fraction oina phangabri kai tawra se it will be given or it will be concluded as that minus 150 is not a term masis pi ri batam sigi atra ap sigi tam man natte han lotion doine ka adu yanga as we just told you that this will be the last question ka aduna question amma katale maure kama question na question number 5 ki Roman number 1 adu di ara question ni ka aduna your homework ta stand not to wadum yare na kan sin ka tongana pi ps ma tongana hapa wa ke tayanga homework se kai wairani question number 5 ki Roman number 2 ka exercise 5.2 kare ko sima angadra sa sima pazana sin halo mek siang ba siang dabre yung ka weather sunik ano nung ay kalay nung mami tok sa lang ka yare to di masigi na inang sida kang to ba kariya hawe noy na kangay ka yan tare ka noy na kumiduloy tare bani na chike dabre noy na kangam manena sa tawre ka aduna exam su kuidre agnung tigi tawri ba class sigi matakta you need to revise for your exam ki tamakta revise tawu su daga tare ka aduna satok tabita option na dabida fazabazana leiro ari fazana paraga leyo ka aduna ngasi gidi sita loisala se fazabazana yumda leyo ka do dia okay bye see you in the next class